to my channel. It's Golden Shakur, yeah, and I'm back. You clicked this video for a reason. Yes, I installed this unit myself. Boy, I was watching hella tutorials so that I could slay this unit for you guys, and I did a pretty good job. Like, come on now, I did my shit. Anyways, this video is sponsored by LUVME hair. I got a 24 inches 13 by 4 unit. This lace particular is HD lace, as you can see. So yeah, it's HD lace. I absolutely love it. Honestly, this hair feels so soft, like it proper flows, like it's like my hair, like you just got a fucking relaxer done. Inside the box came in this really cute pouch, which comes with a few essentials, which is so amazing. So it comes with a wig cap, which is really good. It comes with a silk headband, which is good for laying down the hair and making it all melt. I tend to use this when I'm going to sleep, so this is something I'm definitely going to be using. A little clip, which I used during this video. It also comes with a toothbrush, which I love. This band, if you see, there's like some hooks where you can tie in the wig. A tweezer, comes with a tweezer, but I don't know where I put it, but I was so happy they added it in because I couldn't find my tweezer anywhere, so it's like so good. And it comes with this, so cute.
So I've done the wig cap method, and I just added foundation. I wanted to show you guys how the HD lace looks. It looks amazing, and I'm just adding foundation, and it literally matches with my skin tone perfectly. Like, wow. Then I'm just marking the middle part because while I was plucking the hair, I didn't do it in the center, but yeah, I'm just plucking the middle part because that's the part I always do. And I'm just making sure that the wig fits properly on my head. Just marking everything. And then I have to cut the sideburns because there's just too much hair there. You always have to cut that section because your ear is going to be so uncomfortable. So I just used the clips that came in the LUVME cute wig bag thing, yeah. And then I just cut that bit of the wig cap thing. I don't know what to call it. Now do the other side. This was so hard to film because normally I would just be looking in my mirror, but yeah, I just want to show you guys. And then I'm going to use rubbing alcohol just to get all the foundation off. Then I use Ghost Bond. It's just they're convenient. I added a lot of glue, but it's fine. And I tend to use a toothbrush comb section, so it makes the base very smooth. And yeah, I'm just blow drying, you know. So I use one coat, two coat. That's on my second coat. And yeah. Then on my third coat, this is just to make so it holds the wig for longer. Blow drying, looking in the mirror. And then this part was so scary because if you flop, it's not good. Like, you fucked up. So I was just making sure everything was patterned. And then as you can see here, there's a white residue on the front section, and I'll show you guys how to melt that and just get rid of it. I literally use hairspray and it gets rid of it, and just comb it out. Like, it's not the end of the world if you get this, trust me, we all get it. Then I use my headbands from Golden Shop, boy. And I just comb the hair. The hair is just so soft. Like, this is my favorite wig. I love it. I love it so much. Then everything is melted, and as you can see, that I was scared, but then I added foundation lightly, not too much, and I didn't add any new foundation. It was just from the residue from when I was in the bowl cap method. And scissors, I couldn't find my razors. It was quite hard, to be honest, just filming it, but I did well. I did well. So just cutting in like zigzags, but it was pretty hard. This is my favorite heat protectant oil, and I just start to straighten. I feel like this is like such a boring step, so I just did a few steps, and I use a comb. I actually find skinny straighteners so much better than wide plate. I don't know why. I've been using wide plate for so long, and I just like the way skinny straighteners look. All flowy and buttery. This hair is so dark, I love it. So we have this. Yeah, I wish I never did baby hairs because I like the way this looked. Like, it was very clean, you know, like all back, like type of vibe. Like, not all back, but like it just looked nice. So then I pluck the baby hairs. I already did baby hairs off camera. If you want to see a full video on that, let me know. But I done the cool curling the baby hairs, and it really helps. It really does help because it helps me do my baby hairs pretty good. I think my baby hairs here was a bit thick, but it's fine. And then I conceal it on the middle part, and we're done. Don't I look cute? Well, fuck, I did my shit, guys.
Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe, because if you want to see more of these type of videos, then your girl's gonna do it for you. Like and comment down below if you love this install, and all the discount code and the description and where to get this unit, the links of it will be down below as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.